Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube series. This is the YouTube series playlist of car hauls. As you can see, we have a bunch of Johnny Lightnings I'm going to show you today. This is car haul number 17. So if you would like to obtain any of these cars, refer to car haul number 17 video and tell me which car that you want. Let's go ahead and get started on here. I'm going to move all these out of the way first. Do these one at a time. Excuse me here. Might as well start with this one. We have a 1969 Shelby GT 500. Beautiful car here. 60 Sizzle series. Comes with a box on the top just like the old Matchbox cars did. Beautiful car here. I'll hold it back here a little bit. You can see the color better. Johnny Lightning. Here's the back of the package. Put this aside. Let's go with this one right here. We have a 1969 Dodge Charger RT. Here we go. This is in a cardboard blister pack. It comes with a card. I love the wheels on this car. See if you can see those wheels. I'm not sure if you can. Those wheels are beautiful. The whole car is great. The hood opens up, you can see the engine on the inside. Check out the chrome bumper. Red tail lights. Nice car, really nice car. Go ahead and get this one right here. We have a 1965 Ford Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Original red color, chrome headlights. The hood does open up. The blister pack's not in the best shape, but it's in pretty good. Now this one does come with a card right here in the back. Pony Power, beautiful red Mustang. Release number 1. www.johnnylightning.com. 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. This is a faded yellow color with a white spoiler on the back. Check out the engine in there, painted orange. Nice looking car. Here's the back of the package. I have 2 of these. Comes in the same package. 1970 Plymouth Superbird. Now, the one on the left, the blister pack is yellowing a little bit, so we're going to talk about the one on the right here. Nice wheels on the back. You see Plymouth is written on the side right here. I believe this paint is called Spectra paint. I'm not quite sure. I need to do some more research on that. But it is a kind of a chromed, red chromed paint. Check out the engine. Maybe you can see the engine in there. See if I can get a hard to get a shot on that with this blister pack. This is a beautiful car. Holiday Classics 2005. And I have 2 of these. Black with Flames. 1969 Pontiac GTO. Number 16. This one also comes with a card. This is the Street Freaks edition. Now personally, I'm not a real big fan of the flames on the cars. I don't have anything against them. I'm just not a big fan of flames. So anyway, great looking car. You can see all the chrome around the front and back windows. Red tail lights. You can even see Pontiac right above this tail light here. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up, but right up here above this tail light, Pontiac written in white. We have another 60s Sizzle car. 68 Sizzle RS, 69 Chevy Camaro convertible. Beautiful wheels on this thing. It has the black stripe across the front fenders and the hood. Hood does open up. Black interior with a white convertible cover. It does come with the box. Here's the back of it. How about this one? Camaro Collection 1989 Camaro IROC Z. This is black with white interior. Here's the back of it. You can see the red, orange, and white tail lights. Johnny Lightning limited edition. Right here, limited edition. Here's the back. We have another 60s Sizzle. This one also comes with the box. 1969 Dodge Coronet Super B. Check out the headlights on the front of this one. Again, I apologize for the glare if the blister pack's throwing off a glare in the camera. This does have a white hardtop with a white interior. Johnny Retro since 1969. We have a 1969 Chevy Camaro RS SS convertible. This is the deep red, or red maroon, I should say. White stripe across the front fenders and doors. White interior. Customized engine, and see the chrome around the tail lights. It does have a license plate on the back. I'm trying to get a good view of that there. Beautiful car here. We have a Camaro Collection 1976 Type LT. This is a brown color, or burnt orange. More of a brownish. White interior. You see the tail lights. The front headlights here. We have a 1969 Dodge Coronet convertible. This one has the white stripe across the back of it. Really good looking front end on this car. Here's the back of the blister pack. Everybody knows what this is. 1958 Chevy convertible with the hood that opens in reverse. You can see the headlights chromed out. The bumper's chrome. The side molding is chrome. Rear bumper. The stripes, the chrome that goes across the trunk lid. Has red wheels. White wall tires. This is release number 33. Here's the card that goes with it. Johnny Lightning Mopar 1970 Barracuda. Really a sharp looking car here. Has the card here that looks like a magazine cover. And the last car in this video series, the spoilers, Johnny Lightning Street Freaks 1967 Pontiac GTO. Now this is a little copper brownish tint with a white top. Really super nice looking engine. The front looks great. Back looks great. Super nice looking car. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this short video. If you have any questions or concerns, shoot me an email, shoptaco@gmail.com. I do appreciate you watching.